You are welcome to today's class. Alright, today I want to use another method to teach you temperature conversion. In our last video we used a different method. Today I want us to use this formula. Degree Celsius over 5 equals degree Fahrenheit minus 32 all over 9. Let us use it in converting Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit. Alright, in this formula, this one now stands for degree Celsius, this one now stands for degree Fahrenheit. So that in question A, it says convert 50 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So this is 50 degree Fahrenheit. That means from this place now, you will be solving to get C. This one now, because this one is given. That means when you bring this 50 here and put it here, you are going to have degree Celsius over 5 equals 50 minus 32 all over 9. I follow you? Alright, so you have your C over 5 equals this minus this one will give us 18 all over 9. Are you there? Alright, so you cross multiply at this point now. So that 9 times C now will give us 9C. And 5 times 18 now will give us what? 90. So how do you get your C? Divide both sides by 9. So you have 9C all over 9 equals 90 all over 9. So that this will go, this here, this one now, 10. So that C now will go to what? 10. Idea now, 10 degree Celsius. Idea. So that therefore 50 degree Fahrenheit equals what? 10 degree Celsius. Alright. In the second one, convert 40 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. So at this point now, that means you take this, put it here. That means you'll be left with this. So what we are going to have here now, from the formula C over 5 equals F minus 32 over 9. Now you are given this. So take it and put it here. You're going to have 40 over 5. 40 over 5 equals F minus 32 all over 9. So you can, at this point, you cross multiply. So you have 9 times 40 will give us 360 equals 5 times F now equals 5F. 5F. And 5 times 32 now gives us 160. Alright, so at this point now you take this to this place, to this point, and this is minus, now cos now is going to be plus. So you're going to have 360 plus 160 equals 5F. Alright, so what I have here now is 520 equals 5F. So how do you get your F now? We divide both sides by 5. So when you do so now, we are going to have, what I'm going to have here now is 520 over 5 equals 5F over 5. That will go. So this and this now, you have 104. So our F here now equal to 104 degree Fahrenheit. So therefore 40 degree Celsius equals 104. So that is